If you need to reset your password on ARM Treasure Data, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the ARM Treasure Data login page using your preferred web browser. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Locate and click on the Forgot Password link on the login page. This will direct you to the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your ARM Treasure Data account in the designated field and submit the form. Step 4. Check your email. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Sesort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Follow the reset link. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Ensure your new password meets any specified security requirements. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your account with your new credentials. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.